Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Warzone 2 lost connection to host or server error. So the first fix, what you can do here is to restart your game and reboot your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, you need to go to the browser, you need to go to support.activision.com, select the game here, and then you need to select the platform, and you need to look if the servers are working on Activision side. So and if the servers are fully operational, probably the problem is not their end but on yours. So another thing then, if the servers are working, you can do here is to simply look for game updates, and to do so on Steam you just need to go to the game, and if there is a play button, not update, you're good to go. And on Battle.net is pretty similar. What you need to do here is to check for updates, and you need to look if there is an update for you that you need to install, and if there is, then install it, and then look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to run your internet speed test. To do so, there is plenty of different websites for that, but I use, as you can see here, speed test by Ookla. And then you need to look if you have a good internet speed. And if you have good internet speed, you're good to go. But if you don't, maybe limit some devices or restart your router, right? And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to check for the latest network adapter drivers. To do so on your PC, you just need to go to Device Manager, and then expand option network adapters, and then just select the adapter that you're using and update adapter here. And if you don't know what you're using, just update all of them. Super easy. It will take a few seconds to do so, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to verify integrity of the game files on Steam. You just need to right click on the game, properties, and then install the games and verify integrity of the game files. And on the Battle.net, super similar, you just need to go to scan and repair. And if the problem persists, if you're playing on Battle.net, you can change your region, and sometimes it helps. So if you play in Europe, you can play in Asia servers or America, but of course it will be the higher ping. But sometimes, basically by changing regions, it will fix your problem. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to turn off your VPN if you're using sometimes, or proxy. Sometimes it can cause the problem, so go to VPN and make sure that you're not connected to your VPN. Right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.